Good morning. Hi. We are at Pine Creek Canyon today. It's only 3 miles out and back. We should be finding a creek at the end of the trail. I'm excited. We are at Red Rock, just a 30-minute drive from the strip. So this is gonna be nice. Follow me on the trail. We keep going out in this trail. So far it's pretty easy, straight, a little bit of rocks on the path. Other than that, it's pretty easy. So I guess this trail is pretty popular for rock climbing too. As you can see all the mountains behind me. Very pretty. We started the trail at 6:30ish and it was already a little busy. I guess it's very popular. We're gonna follow this trail and we're gonna actually loop around. By the end of the trail we should find the creek, hopefully with some water today. We'll see. looks like we're kind of close to that loop. We're actually in this trail. We're getting like towards the entrance of the canyons. To the canyon, so once we get to that loop, we can explore more around the area. But the views are really nice, guys, for this trail, so it's really worth the trip. Very pretty, a lot of trees. It's beautiful. I'll show you the creek if we find any water in it, hopefully. So far the trail had some change. Some parts of big rocks, some parts is just sand. Currently we have both big rocks in between sand, so just have to watch out your step here. Hopefully we see some wildlife as well, because some people have seen bighorn sheeps. We'll see. Hopefully some deer. This is a little downhill between rocks. We must be getting close. Ah. Ah. It looks like we got to the creek and no water. Still pretty nice though. There's a lot of shade. It's a nice spot to sit, have a snack, and enjoy the view. And that's the creek area right there, which it will probably have flowing water in the spring. Very nice views though. Alright, we're heading back now. We're at the creek, which is dry. And I hope you guys enjoyed the view and the video. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing and give me any comments. Appreciate any feedback down below. And if you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you. See you in the next video.